Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, it took a couple of days off. The air conditioner in the train room went out, and for the last couple of days it's been 90 plus degrees here, so it's been too hot in here to do anything. Anyway, it's reasonably cool in here today, but hopefully later this afternoon the guy's going to show up and replace that air conditioner. So that should solve the problem. In any case, new Locomotive has arrived. I believe this is a Lionel 8902 DC locomotive. Picked this up on eBay for 10 bucks. Really curious to see what kind of condition it's actually in. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk and don't overlook the DC locomotives. In most cases, you can get these things really cheap. And there it is. Thank God for no peanuts. Alright, let's see what this actually looks like. Alright, there's the locomotive. Get this out of the way. And right off the bat, I can see that the contactor is missing off the bottom. So that's going to be easy enough to repair. So I can't even test it yet. Anyway, Lionel 8902 DC locomotive. Let me pull this off the tripod. As you see, this is in actually quite good condition. There's no damage to it. Get this tripod out of the way. It is complete with actually no damage at all. It was definitely worth the 10 bucks. There's no doubt about that. Anyway, very first thing I have to do is replace the contactor on the bottom. It snaps into position here, so I've got to dig through the parts box and pull out a couple of them. I have them, it's just a matter of finding them. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of the unboxing on this. Lionel 8902 straight DC locomotive. 10 bucks in very good condition. Not quite new, but pretty close. It hasn't had much use or play wear. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this. So I've got to put the contactor on it. Like I said, they just snap on the bottom. And then we'll test it, take it from there. I have no doubt it's going to run, unless someone's actually burned it out trying to run it on AC. Most of these DC locomotives just take off as soon as you put them on the rail. Anyway, straight DC, so I'll put it on the DC rail when I test it. Like I said, first thing I've got to do is get the contactors replaced. Anyway, it's been badly stored for a very, very long time. And when I saw it on eBay, I figured, why not? You know, DC locomotive, you can add a diode to this and run it on AC in just a matter of a minute. Anyway, I'll do a follow-up video when I get the contactor installed. We'll take it from there. I'm going to pull the motor out, of course, and add a diode directly to the motor so I can run it on AC. Anyway, in really decent condition, 10 bucks on eBay. So I'll get that contactor installed. I'll do a follow-up video. We'll see how this runs. Just a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.